And when you pick up these sets, obviously some sets will be difficult, some will be easy, and you might not be able to solve all the sets. So there'll be a question seen and there'll be a question done. So this gap between question seen and question done is where your learning and your growth lies. And the first point of learning, if you look at the learning journey in DI or LR, is you are starting off from a point where I can solve these kind of questions, but I can't solve those kind of questions. After this journey of 300 to 400 sets, where you get after the sets you can't solve, ask a few hints from people who help you with sets you could not solve, and you get through them. And after this journey, you have to reach a point of belief. This is the belief part of the journey, where you can tell yourself, now I think DILR, कोई भी question आ जाए मैं solve कर लूँगा. That internal confidence, you have to reach that point, and then you start working on efficiencies. So July to November, you're still working on DILR, but that's the second phase in which you are working through DILR through previous year questions, and you work on DILR also through your questions in your mocks. So if you take 40 mocks, and if the mocks are 1 hour each, you'll get 300 sets of DILR there between July to November. And if you do the last 10 years of CAT and IFT and ZAT में तो reasoning नहीं आता है, DI आएगा. You will get another 50, 70, 100 sets of DILR in those exams, and that is another 500 sets, which completes your preparation. 300 to 400 sets pre your mock test series, and 300 400 sets in your mock test plus your previous year questions. उतने में DILR सीखोगे नहीं तो कभी नहीं सीखोगे. And what will happen, as I told you, the first 50 sets, everything will seem completely new, but then you'll start seeing repetitions of things. That repetition is where learning happens. Okay, this is something I've done, and this kind of thing I've sorted earlier. So next time onwards, I should be better at doing this. And that's how you pick up DILR.